student, here we discuss cyclic ester. What is cyclic ester? One of cyclic ester are those ester which are in the cyclic form. This is cyclic ester. Here one oxygen is bonded with one carbon, and the one two carbon actually, one carbon and second carbon is bearing carbonyl group, that is CO group. So this ester grouping is there. So one oxygen atom is bonded to two carbon within the ring. One carbon is having CO group into it, attached to it. Okay, CO group is there. So ester grouping is present in the cycle, and this is cyclic form. That is why it is called cyclic ester. Now we will tell you. I will tell you how we are producing it. Cyclobutanol, it is 4 carbon cyclic ketone. So 4-member ring is there. When per acid, any per acid, whether it is acetic acid, per acetic acid, or peroxy acetic acid, or per oxyformic acid reacted with this. So insertion of one oxygen is here between adjacent to this carbon. So see, this is carbonyl carbon adjacent to this. There will be oxygen is introduced or inserted, and then we will get this gamma lactone. Now earlier it was 4-member ring, now it is 5-member ring, 4 carbon plus 1 oxygen in the ring. So it is 5-member cyclic ester known as gamma lactone, or write down oxolane 2-one. Now cyclopentanone, this is 5 carbon cyclic ring, ketone group is present, cyclic ketone it is PFA, that is peroxyformic acid. So one oxygen is introduced in this carbon, and this carbon. So here I introduce, and now it is 6-member ring, and the ester, cyclic ester is known as lactone, and this is called delta lactone. All cyclic ester are known as lactone. Here again I took 5-carbon ring with methyl substituent. This is cyclic ketone. Okay, cyclic ketone having one methyl group. So oxygen is introduced here. Okay, so we'll get again this is in this case here is 5-member ring, so we'll get delta lactone. Here also we'll get delta lactone because total members are 6. Okay, 6-member ring, so delta lactone. Here cyclopropanol, 3-carbon ring. This is 3-carbon ring. Per acid, peroxyformic acid is introduced here. Here also I have to write. You will write on HCO3H. This is peroxyformic acid. So we will get beta lactone. Cyclic ester with 4-member ring. If we will take 6-member cyclohexanone, again one oxygen is introduced here, so we will get eta lactone. Okay, so here it is 7-member ring, and hydrolysis this cleaved, and we'll get 6-hydroxyhexanoic acid. This is when it is cleaved, we'll get 5-hydroxypentanoic acid. When it is cleaved, we'll get 4-hydroxybutanoic